Internet land? This is your girl, Annetta Power, your success coach. And I have been talking about how to build a successful blog, all right? But I want to talk about two key components that's going to make your blog successful, okay? Key component number one is you have to have effective blog posts, okay? Great content. That's all I've been talking about. And you have to market it effectively. Okay, I talked about how you need to join the social media sites. I talked about exactly what you need to do to get that out to the masses, okay? With those two together, you will make a lot of money as a blogger, but you got to take the time to learn how to market your blog. You got to take the time to have effective, good content where you are bringing value to people's lives, okay? That's just the bottom line, okay? So I'm stressing that. You know, people always say, you know, in order for you to have a successful business, you got to learn how to market it. That is so true. Blogging, that's your business. When you have a blog, your blog is your business. Now, it's your job to reach out to the masses and to expose your blog links to people on social media so that they can get to know you, okay? And it's required that you develop the skill set. So how do I develop the skill set? Right? By reading my Annetta Powell's posts, by watching my videos. That's one way. Reading books. Okay? Making sure you actually get with an actual product where you're learning how to build your brand on the internet. It's that simple. Okay? The key is for you to learn how to write effective blog posts. Okay? So if you don't know how to write, you can outsource, or you can buy a book on understanding how to write so that you can get to people emotions, which is, if you get to the emotions, you have to understand that you have to push people buttons for them to give you their credit card. And I'm just being honest and transparent because blogging is a business, okay? And you have to learn how to market it, right? And so if you don't want to take the time to learn how to write great content and learn how to market your blog, guess what? You're wasting your time having a blog. Those are the those are the two key components to having a successful blog. Now, those two are on me. I gave you those two freebies as to how to hit people emotions and get them to buy, okay? All right, so with all that said, you all have a great day and bye.